Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. I've already imported this base model with walls and floor. To achieve isometric view, head over to the camera tools and adjust the perspective by lowering the FOV. Align it using the grid and save this scene. Let's tweak the light settings a bit such that the interior is well lit. Next, let's apply materials. I'll go with a light wooden texture for the floors. Adjust the material's UV. Textured wallpaper for this wall. And white paint finish for the exposed wall area. Now, let's populate the scene. From the D5 asset library, I'll add some essential furniture like chair, sofa, coffee table, rug, and plants. With the scene ready, let's give it a background and switch to the video mode. This is where we set up our keyframes. I'll create a new video clip. Here is the fun part. Let's make the clip a little longer. Select an object. These are the parameters that we can modify to achieve the animation. Let's play with location for the first object. There will be 2 frames for each object. In the first keyframe, object will be out of its position, which will be animated and will navigate to its original position in the second keyframe. D5 automatically animates the movement between the 2 keyframes. Next, let's make the plant bloom into the scene. For that, reduce the plant size in the first keyframe and increase the size in the second. Both the objects are in sync. Next, for the table, we'll add in more excitement. Let's move it aside and rotate. See how the two parameters are being performed on one object. You might have seen this curtain moving without any keyframe. This is a dynamic block from the D5 asset library. It has several play modes. Repeat the same keyframe action for all the objects. Add your imagination to see the final output. We've gone from a plain isometry model to a fully animated scene. Thanks for watching.